everyone, so I have a new bag, or actually I'm not gonna lie, I bought this bag about 2 months ago, but when I recorded it 2 months ago, I just didn't like the video, and since I haven't had a chance to wear it, I haven't felt the need to show you guys, but I am in love with this bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys so that I'm not rambling too much. But it is a Western style bag. It is the Tory Burch Lee Radziwill bag. I absolutely adore this. This bag, I think it came out about 2 years ago if I remember correctly, but at the time it was just gonna be too much. This is actually the only Lee Radziwill bag I have in this style. As you guys know, if you watch my videos, I have a lot of the double bags because I love the double bags. Like, that is my favorite style of bag ever at this point in time. But I used to have one in this style that was cowhide, and I couldn't keep it because the hide was shedding just way too much within like a week of me getting it. So I took it back and they didn't have any more, and it was defective, so I wasn't sure if I wanted another one in that style. But now I have this gem right here, and I think that throughout fall this is gonna get a lot of wear. And it's funny because I told myself I was not gonna get any more suede bags, and look at me with the suede bag in a light color nonetheless, which is quite stressful actually. I might have to get a little rain bag cover so that when I'm going out to eat and stuff like that, it does not stress me out. But more about the bag, it does come with a strap, and I had seen this bag secondhand for sale without the strap, and it was so affordable. But I knew that if I ever had a moment where I wanted to use the crossbody strap, I was gonna be so upset that I didn't just go for the one that was a bit more expensive. They did come out with 2 colors of this bag at the time. The one that I got is in ciabatta. I don't know what the name of the other color is, but I think it was like a green and a navy blue. I actually saw that bag going for less than this on the secondhand market, and I was so tempted to buy it. But realistically, my handbag collection is full. Like, I don't really need to get any more bags. I need to start wearing the bags that I do have, so ciabatta will work for now. And yeah, I also feel like this helps to cure my little yellow bag crave. Like, I have a yellow bag with lemons on it, but it's so busy. And this, although it's not like a baby yellow, a bright yellow, it still gives off that warm vibe. I'm a little bit, I wonder if like the color of the bag is gonna change. Like, I keep all of my bags, my closet, no sunlight, but I don't know if the suede will start to look weird once it gets exposed to more sun. That is a concern that I have because this is a lighter color. But we'll see, and regardless, I got it for a good price. Sorry, my throat is so dry throughout this video. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully I'm not getting sick. I got it for a good price, so even if it does age over time and things like that, once I start wearing it more frequently, I won't care as much. It's just that I haven't had a chance to wear it, so it's still, you know, like it's my baby. Because this is an older bag, it still comes with the key. I think a lot of the newer ones don't have the key anymore that pops this open, but really you can just pull, which is why the new ones don't have it, and the bag will open up. I love that it has this, I don't know if perforated is the right word, but all these little holes on it. It just reminds me of a cowgirl. So really quick, to the point, this doesn't need to be a long video at all, but I love this bag. I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow to my little brother's birthday party because I need to start wearing my wardrobe more. I have all of these beautiful pieces and they don't get worn. So even though it's just, I mean, he's not a kid, he's a teen, but you know, like I don't need to dress overly nice, but I'm going to because it's necessary for me, for my peace. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for tomorrow.